I had the 3-in-1.
What your knee gave away?
I sneezed.
Oh, man.
I caught a stomach cramp. My
Damn.
neck then hurt
Damn.
because I snapped down. So
Sneezes
I have a
hurt.
That's
stomach,
funny.
neck pain, and then my knee buckled.
Yeah.
That's
Sneezes
funny.
will fuck you up. Those
Yeah.
is dangerous.
I said, God damn, I'm old.
The knee buckle, the one that irritated the fuck out of me because it happened at such random time. Like
It's
I'm
very
like
random.
I'm just walking straight. I ain't trying to step over nothing. What the hell? Like
That was me trying to flex on the young in the truck. Tried to get out all smooth, and my knee said,
Wow. You can't fall in front of them.